Welcome to our channel, dear car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of small SUVs and taking a closer look at the new Renault Captur. With a fresh new appearance, smart materials, and a Google-based infotainment system, the new Captur is packed with exciting features. And for those seeking a sporty edge, there's even a new Renault Captur Esprit Alpine trim available. The new Captur will face some tough competition from the likes of the Vauxhall Mach-E, Peugeot 2008, and Honda HR-V. But with prices expected to start from around £22,000, it's sure to offer great value for money. The rear of the new Renault Captur features transparent LED lights, a redesigned diffuser, and the new logo. The SUV offers a range of 17-inch, 18-inch, and new 19-inch alloy wheels. The Renault Captur Esprit Alpine variant boasts ice black logos, high-gloss window surrounds, an aerodynamic front splitter, and front and rear skid plates in slate gray matte. The new Renault Captur is available in 6 colors, including the new ceramic gray, and offers an optional 2-tone color scheme for Techno and Esprit Alpine trims. Inside, the SUV features a redesigned touchscreen up to 10.25 inches, running the new OpenR Link multimedia system with Google built-in on all but base models. The touchscreen includes Google Maps, Google Assistant, and over 50 apps from the Google Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard. The new Renault Captur uses grained cover materials and recycled upholstery fabrics, with gray seat fabric on standard models and yellow top stitching on mid-grade Techno. The Renault Captur Esprit Alpine has multi-textured grained cover fabric on seats and door panels, a blue-gray insert on the dashboard, and multiple Alpine brand cues. The new Renault Captur remains practical, with class-leading rear knee room and a sliding rear seat bench, providing up to 536 liters of boot space. The new Renault Captur offers two engine options, a 1.0-liter TCE90 and a 1.6-liter edtech full hybrid 145. The TCE90 engine produces 90 PS and has a 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time of 14.0 seconds, while the edtech full hybrid 145 PS engine has a 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time of 10 seconds. The hybrid engine also offers better fuel efficiency, with an average of 60.1 miles per gallon and CO2 emissions starting from 105 g/km. The new Renault Captur's suspension geometry has been revised for a smoother ride and better handling, and the Esprit Alpine variant features 19-inch wheels with special extra-wide Michelin tires. The car also includes all the latest safety assist tech as standard, with 18 next-generation driving aids and a dedicated My Safety button to disable any irritating ones. With over 2 million units sold in 90 countries since its launch 10 years ago, the new Renault Captur aims to continue its success. We want to hear from you. What do you think of the new Renault Captur? Are you a fan of the updated design and features? Leave your comments and questions below, and let's start a conversation. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.